Hi guys, it's Katie with String Expert. Today I want to teach you how to use the fourth finger. So we've already learned the first three fingers. So we put our first finger on the first tape, second finger on the second tape, third finger on the third tape. Then what we're going to do is put our fourth finger on the fourth tape. We want to try and be conscious of trying to make our fourth finger as round as possible. Now when we play the fourth finger note, what we're playing is actually the open string next door. So for example, if I put 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers down on the G string, it's the same as an open D. And that's true on the D string. If you go 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers on the D string, you're going to play the open A. The only exception to that is the E string. So we have F sharp, G, A, and then of course our fourth finger then would be B. And it sounds like this. Now, as you're learning to play the fourth finger, you really want to concentrate on a few things. Try to make the fourth finger as round as possible and put it right on the tip. Your fourth finger is significantly weaker than the rest of your fingers because we just don't use it that much in everyday life. I mean, we never really use the pinky for a whole lot of anything. So concentrate on building strength and be careful not to overextend or overuse your finger in the first few days as you practice. If it gets sore or tired, give it a good rest and then come back and play with your fourth finger. You can also put your third finger right next to your fourth finger to give it a little bit of stability and support until you build the strength in your fourth finger to use it independently. Now, what we use the fourth finger for on the D string, the G string, and the A string is it's really important because it allows us to not have to switch strings as much and allows us to play the notes quickly and efficiently without changing. So a good rule of thumb is if you see a note and it is on the D string, and then let's say you're going, the next note is an open A or a fourth finger, look at the note after that. If the note after that is on the same string as you're currently playing, then what you want to do is continue to use your fourth finger. Or if it's switching strings, then you may want to choose an open string. You can also think about tonal quality. So when you have a fourth finger, you want to have a good solid tone and a good tone quality. And by using the fourth finger, it gives it more of a warmer tone versus an open string is more of a harsher sounding or brighter sounding tone.